Welcome to Punch It Unboxed. Today I will show you the best setup to clean a Muay Thai gym or a fitness facility. We make 3 parts of the video. The first, what kind of experience we get the last 7 years, how we manage the cleaning. The second part, what kind of machine we use. And the third, what is in my opinion the best solution to clean a Muay Thai gym or a fitness facility. In 2016, when we opened the gym, we was only 3 people. And to clean the gym, we use always the mop. So 3 people, 2 trainer and me, we clean every morning from 6 to 7 o'clock the gym. About for me was the most important thing to have a clean gym every morning. And after a few years, we hired a housekeeping. She also used the mop for around 2 years until COVID hits. With the mop is the problem, you just make the floor wet and you not really take out the sweat from the ground and from the floor. So after COVID, this one is useless. Hey! And we designed to buy a machine, and the first machine we invest was a Kärcher BD 40. The benefit of this machine is they bring always fresh water and with the soap and take out the dirty water behind. And this was for us a very good improvement. Our housekeeping was super happy with this machine. About the floor was much more cleaner than before, and that's what we want. And I can explain you quick the machine that you have a little bit idea how it works. So you fill up here the fresh water with a soap. Here the dirty water is in the tank from vacuum cleaner. Inside in this machine you have 2 batteries. You can charge around 4 hours and we can use it around 1.5 hours to clean the gym. To clean, we have the brush here. In the beginning, we used the sponge and after we changed to the brush. The cleanness was good, but not 100%. And the problem was actually the rotation of this machine is like a round rotation and the floor is not flat. We have a structure. We need a rotation like this to take out the dirt better. And the second is this machine have 380 watts and works with the battery, but sometimes the power was not enough to take all the dirty water out. So BD40 become useless. We take it out. We come to the new machine we use right now. This is the T1. This machine have a cable. This is not really an improvement in using, but improvement of power. About this machine have 880 watts and is a lot stronger for the vacuum to take out the dirty water. This was the first improvement what we need to do. And the second is we have another kind of a brush, and now the rotation is what we need. We have 2 vacuum cleaners in the front and in the back. So in the front, they take out like the dirt before, and here the wet water. So you can use back and forward. For the water, it works actually similar. We have 2 containers, one for the fresh water, one for the old water. This one is a little bit easier to take out and to clean and to fill up. For right now, this is really the best machine we found out, and the gym is clean. We even clean it 2 times a day. So in the morning at 5:30 we clean once, and at 12 o'clock until 1 o'clock. For our gym, this is around 400 square meters. We use around 1 hour to clean all the facility, with cleaning the machine included. If I compare to the Kärcher, we buy second hand, and this one is already 10 years and is still fine. This machine have a lot of rust, and we had also some issue. We have to order spare parts, and I don't know how it works, but the spare parts in Thailand is really crazy expensive. Even the brush we want to reorder is over 20,000 baht for a brush, and the rubber lips is also a price of 15,000 baht or more, and this is really too expensive for spare parts, and this is also the reason we will use another machine for the new gym. There we come to the third part of this video. In my view right now, what I research again is the Kärcher BR 45 or 35, the smaller version. This is the different about, we have still a battery, not a cable like this, and we have a power of 550 watt. It's close to this one and more than the old one, and the rotation is the same as this machine. Why the Kärcher machine is, in my opinion, the better one? About the spare part is cheaper, the lifetime, in my view, from the old machine, the experience is a lot better. About we still can use the old machine after 10 years, and this one, after 3 years, we have to fix already few times. If you have a better opinion or recommendation of a cleaning machine, feel free to make a comment and we can improve our new gym with your recommendation. Subscribe the channel now and be a part of our journey when we build the best Muay Thai facility in Thailand.